Children, children, I Tapas sir going to teach class 6 students literature. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson, children. Today's lesson is lesson number 2. So let's see, children, what is there in lesson number 2. And before that, children, please watch this video attentively and try to understand what is I am going to say through this video or what is there in this story. So for that you have to be attentive while watching the video. Cambridge Connection, as we know, this is this year's new literature book. So let's see what is there in lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, The People Upstairs. Ogden Nash, the poet of this poem. People upstairs means the people or the neighbors who are staying in same building upstairs to your building. This story, this poem is about how a neighbor behave. If a good neighbor is there, their behavior will make you pleased and happy. If they are troublesome behavior, how they will bring pain to you, or they will make your life hell. This is about that. You can see the people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is bowling alley. Their bedroom is full of conducted tour. Means the people upstairs means the neighbor who are staying upstairs of the building, in that same building where I am on the ground floor, they are staying in the upstairs. They are practicing ballet. Ballet is an English dance form. You can see they are practicing ballet. Their living room is bowling alley, means they are as if it is a place where generally dance are practiced. They are behaving in the house that house is not their living room, rather than it is a place to practice dance like ballet. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours, means generally conducted tours means the people who come to your house to give you any type of advice relating to anything. Like that they are behaving somebody or sometime or other, people are coming to their house. Their house is always full of people, so you can say guests, and they also day and night dance in the house under that building or the downstairs ground stair. I or with my family, the poet is saying, I with my family live. So we have a lot of problem. The people who are dancing above the upstairs on the in the room, they create a lot of nuisance problem to us. So this is how the neighbor behave in their house. Their radio is louder than yours, means the way they listen the radio with full volume. So it is too much louder. They celebrate weekend all the week, means every weekend they celebrate one program or other. This also a big problem for the people who are staying around them, because they create lot of disturbance to their life, because they use high sounding radio or music to enjoy the weekend. You can see the downstairs person is the ground floor person, the poet. He is so disturbed that he is putting the hand on his ear so that to avoid the sound they use for their music. When they take a shower, your ceiling leak, they try to get their parties to mix. Means when they take bath on the upstairs, they use so much the water that the water leak from the upper floor to the down floor or the ground floor where the poet is staying. The water start to leak, and they try to get their parties to mix. Means one party is going on, with it they start with another program, or that they get mixed with the parties, one parties with another. So how they do so? You can see, children, There somebody is bathing on the upper floor and the water is leaking down to the ground floor. Where the poet is staying on the ground floor, ground floor, the roof is leaking. So this is the way they take bath. By supplying their guest with pogo stick, means when a party is going on, at that moment they bring a pogo stick. Pogo stick generally is type of stick which people use for sports. So no need of bringing those pogo stick into the house. But as they mix the parties, with the party they start to play games. So they give pogo stick. You can see how they see the pogo stick. They are jumping with the pogo sticks. Okay, when their fun at last abstate, they go to the bathroom on roller skate. Means when their fun is or the party is over, then they go to the bathroom. If they want to go to the bathroom, they use roller skate. Roller skate, you know, skating wheel, having a skate wheel on the skate. They use those roller skate. Instead of walking into the bathroom, they use a roller skate to move from the drawing room to the bathroom. So this is way how they behave at in the home, which is a big problem for the people who are staying under that floor and the ground floor, and the poet and their family is suffering from the behavior what the neighbors are doing in the upstairs. I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on another floor. Poet wants to say that I might have loved the people if they would have stayed in another building. Surely I would have loved them, but being my neighbor and creating this type of nuisance in the problem in the same building, I cannot tolerate. It is a big problem for me as well as my family to adjust with this type of neighbors. So he could be very happy person if this family would have been in another building, the poet want to say. But being they stay in the upper floor of the poet's building, they are having a lot of problem with these neighbors. This is about the neighbors who bring a lot of problem for the neighbors who are staying around them, because they don't mind about other, they don't think about other, they don't respect the feelings of other, they only make their life more easy, creating problem with other life. So this is about these bad neighbors which we also pass through or we also experience in our lifetime someday or other, that we are also having this type of neighbors. So it is about troublesome neighbors, and this troublesome neighbor created problem for the family of the poet. So this is a beautiful poem. So behave properly so that your neighbor also can enjoy their life. Rather, don't create any problem nuisance for their life and make their life hell. So this is about the poem. So God bless you, children. Stay at home. Situation is very bad now. So watch this video repeatedly at home and try to understand it. Bye bye, children. Thank you for watching the video.